Here we go. Jumping, doing a couple boxes of the Cup 12-13 from a fresh case. Yeah, let's just do one at a time, make it easy. This has the bonus pack. Love that about this year of the Cup. You get a Ultimate Hockey bonus pack right on top. Bing! There it is. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm keeping the YouTube camera on. My computer absolutely just blue screen restarted out of nowhere. Oh, YouTube, we're gonna wait it out for a second here. Computer's rebooting. That was freaking crazy. Never had that happen before. All right. Yeah, oh yeah. I saw my computer completely went to like blue screen of death, reboot out of nowhere. And now, like, it rebooted fine. Like, I have never had that happen before. YouTube's still rolling. I haven't even cracked the box or anything yet, but YouTube rolled through all that. So, yeah, that was interesting. A first for everything. Wow. Freaking crazy. All right, here we go. Well, you got a fatty. Mario Lemieux to $3.99 Ultimate Base. And, ooh, sexy. Look at that card. 15 of 25. UC Uranus Ultimate Rookie Patch Auto. That thing's gorgeous. The P in Maple Leafs. Gorgeous card. Especially for a bonus. Nice little bonus pack action. Whew. Phone. All right. pain to get out, yeah, for sure. Okay, Cam Neely to 249 is your base card on top. Let's go to the back. Oh, dang, nice. Rookie patch auto 248 of 249, Sean Hunwick. Okay. Next, Chet Picard to 249. Rookie patch auto. You got a goalie hot box. Your RPA out of Ultimate was a goalie. Nice 3-color on that one. Chet Picard. Redemption. Ooh. Honorable numbers dual patch autograph. Number to 31, Carey Price. Nice Carey Price dual patch auto honorable numbers redemption. Still a goalie. To the back, 11 of 25, rookie of JT Brown. Gold rookie, 11 of 25. And, oh, what is it? We got a, oh baby. 4 of 6, Matt Stajan. Notable nameplates. 4 of 6, Matt Stajan. The J. Sweetness. A non-goalie, finally. No. All right, box 2. Well, this is box number 3. The first one was 2. This is my lucky number. Yeah, no one-color patches. Hopefully that Carey Price turns out nice. Got a thin one here. It's going to be an ultimate signature, I believe. Could be an ultimate rookie autograph as well. John Tavares to 399. And Jordan Nolan to 99, ultimate rookie autograph. 46 of 99, Jordan Nolan. Let's go goalies. Hey, there's Joe Sakic again. That's pretty funny. 3 out of the 5 box, or 3 out of the 6 boxes I cut have had Joe Sakic base. Joe Sakic to 249. On the back, Ryan Garbutt, 3-color to 249, rookie patch autograph. Okay, so there's the Sakic. Next. Oh, baby. Numbered 8 of 99, 4-color, Jaden Schwartz, short print rookie patch autograph. Jaden Schwartz. Jumping, yes, that's a good card. Oh, man. 4-color of a 99? Yeah, that's good. Next, Corey Schneider to 99, signature patches. Next, enshrinements number 3 of 50, Jeff Skinner. Told you, jumping. And 8 of 25, Matt Watkins, gold rookie. Matt Watkins, gold rookie. Jumping. There you have it. Congrats, man.